In today's video, I'm going to show you how to assemble the bag on a Ryobi 40V lawnmower. Bring in your metal bars. We're going to slot these in like this so they're opposite from the hard side. When you're putting this on, make sure that the top of the bag comes underneath this arm here. This is your handle, so we'll bring that like that and hook these on. If you don't do it this way, it'll be really challenging to clip on. So we can clip these on like that, and then that gives us a handle to pick up our bag once it's full of clippings. Ones on the side here, you just hook these over. A little bit challenging to get them hooked on without them falling off. Bit of a terrible design of a bag, but we'll get there. Now you're going to use these little pegs here to attach the bag onto the lawnmower. Lift this cap up. We're going to slot the bag into the peg on this side and the one on this side. That's how easy it is to assemble the bag on a Ryobi 40V lawnmower. If you like this video, you should watch this video here next.